In this video of Project Vehicle Upgrade, we'll be taking a look at a 2018 Ford Mustang GT. We have performance upgrades, wheels, tires, suspension, and of course, car stereo. So stay with us as we take a closer look at this vehicle. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Josh from Breaker Stereo and Performance. So let's go ahead and check this Ford out. This Mustang's got a lot of upgrades to it. Let's start with the wheels. So we went with the RSR wheels, and these are a staggered fitment. These are the R801 in the graphite. So we have a 20 by 10.5 in the rear, and then we have a 20 by 9 in the front. And on here we have the Michelin Pilot Sports, and these are 295/35/20 for the rear. And on the front we went with the 265/35/20. Also, this thing is lowered on coilovers, and these are made by Roush, and these are triple adjustable. All right, so let's take a look under the hood. All right, so we got the Roush Supercharger in this. And this is actually dealer installed, so he retains all his factory warranties. So this Supercharger comes with a 3.1-inch pulley, and this is upgraded to a 2.8 pulley. And on here he went with the VMP triple pass heat exchanger. So what's happening is the heat exchanger that came with this kit wasn't cooling the engine fast enough. So he's having issues, so that was upgraded as well. Okay, so another thing on the coilover system, it doesn't come with camber plates. So he went with the Maximum Motorsport so that he's able to get that alignment correct. All right, so on the exhaust, we got a GT500 Switchfire and a Borla Attack axle back, and both those parts are made by Borla. And on the seats, we have the upgraded Recaro seats, and these are actually made by Ford. All right, so let's take a look at the stereo system. So on the stereo system, we left the factory radio. We didn't want to change that out because you got a lot of good features on there. And for the front there, we got the Blam 6.5 mid-range here and the tweeter up top, both in the factory locations. And on the rear deck, we got the 6.5-inch Blam coax. All right, so on the back seat here, as you can see, we did a rear seat delete. We got the amplifiers on the panel here, both Audison. We have the SR 1.500 running the two Audio Mobile 10-inch GTSs, and then we have the SR 4.300, and that runs our inside speakers. On the design, what we did is we followed suit with the racing stripes that are on the vehicle, and we have the two racing stripes here that run parallel with that. And on the face of the box, we have the red vinyl to match the striping here. And then of course, we got our black vinyl for our amp rack, and we carpeted the beauty panel for the subwoofers, and then the outside of the amp racks. Okay, and to finish it out, what we did is we made a beauty panel in the back here so you don't see anything, so everything looks nice and factory.